What is happening, everybody, and welcome to the Mpc Crypto-Mobile Network. My name is Kashmir. I'm the founder of this great network, guys, and we are over here changing lives with cryptocurrency. We're doing it the way it was designed to be done, guys. We're not over here making large investments. We're not sitting back waiting to see if Bitcoin goes up and down, because that's not how you make money in crypto. We're getting paid and we're earning, basically doing what Satoshi Nakamoto set forth for us to do in 2009, which was make sure that every household has cryptocurrency. So we formed a network where we earn by simply bringing people into the network. We do not care if Bitcoin goes up and down, because we earn every day. On the average, we're earning anywhere between $500 and $1,000 in Bitcoin. Because this is daily, because we're sharing this great opportunity with other people. Let's dive right in so I can show you guys how this works and how we're earning by simply inviting people to join the network. You don't have to make large investments in Bitcoin to make money with it, so don't be fooled by other people telling you that. And you definitely don't have to sit there and watch it go up and down, right? Risking losing your money. So let's dive right in so you can get a good understanding of how this thing works. Okay, welcome first of all to the Mpc Crypto-Mobile Network. This network is a group of like-minded entrepreneurs creating wealth via smartphone technology and cryptocurrency. If you have ever desired to earn a six-figure income, this is definitely the community that you want to be in. Right now, over here at our network, right, we understand that today digital assets have become a true source for creating wealth for those that are open to new world finance. If you're open to the new world of finance, you're in the right place at the right time. Wealth is measured, right, as net assets minus how much debt one person owes. Cryptocurrency wealth is considered to be the amount of digital asset that one person holds within their cryptocurrency portfolio. The next phase of evolution is already meeting significant milestones, as we are seeing the numbers of cryptocurrency millionaires that are appearing daily, guys. People are creating wealth with cryptocurrency every day, and we're definitely seeing that over here in our network, because we're doing it with a no risk factor involved. Okay, the Mpc Crypto-Mobile Network is making it possible for average everyday people to take advantage of today's ever evolving digital asset, which is Bitcoin. Let's look a little bit further, guys. We earn through memberships. We are a membership earning community. We're not an investment community. We're not dealing with Forex. We're not dealing with none of that, guys. We are a membership earning community, which simply means that as we invite people into our network, we earn. We have nothing to sell, nothing to buy. Plus, we receive great gifts from the company, man. We're killing it with this. We've discovered a way for people to make serious Bitcoin deposits daily by simply sharing the power of cryptocurrency with others. Our members have found that they can truly create pure generational wealth for themselves as well as for their family many generations to come, just by sharing this great information. The Money Power Club has designed two new structures targeted toward the acquisition of wealth, and they are this: the new members reward program, the NMRP. Remember, I just said we earn through memberships, so that's our NMRP. And our upgraded member rewards program, which is the UMRP. That means that you also receive 100% in Bitcoin on your member upgrades, and I'll touch upon that in a minute. Both were designed with one thing in mind: total financial freedom. What makes our club exclusive is that our members can earn a powerful life-changing income without having anything to buy or anything to sell. This simply means that all commissions are based upon a member's ability to simply share our mission to educate along with our club amenities with other people. We call it wealth by association. By simply sharing with others how the Money Power Club can create wealth for them, can quickly put one on the path to financial freedom. Now, this is very important at this part right here, guys. Stop investing in Bitcoin. You don't have to invest in Bitcoin. And also, stop sitting around watching wallets. You don't have to do that, guys. If you want to make money, this is the easiest way to do it, by sticking to the plan that Satoshi Nakamoto put forth. Just simply invite others to join Bitcoin and get paid. There is no need to invest large amounts of money into Bitcoin just to sit around and wonder if the coin is going up or down. By using this system of simply getting people in Bitcoin just for inviting, right? Getting paid, guys. You guys can get paid in Bitcoin just for inviting others into the network, right? This all but guarantees that your money is safe and your earnings are inevitable. That means that you're definitely going to get paid, because if I invite Jim into Bitcoin, Jim joins our network, I get paid. If you invite Jan into Bitcoin, when Jan join, you get paid. When either one of them upgrade, we get paid. That is amazing. Look at it this way. You only put in $100 one time over here, right? And that is to get your membership. That's not an investment. That's to set up your membership, plus a one-time $10 administrative fee, which sets you up a powerful website. Now you have membership tracking. You have all of this stuff available to you on your own membership website. The part, right, the best part is that you get your $100 right back in your wallet, right back into your account the minute that you activate and bring in one person. So that means now you're here for free, right? You're here absolutely free, and you're able to make as much money as you would like to make each day, each week, each month, and each year. And that is in Bitcoin. Now let's look at our mobile network. We know that our network is the #1 out because of what we're providing for our members. We are a private community with our very own cryptocurrency ecosystem. We have our own system, guys. What makes us unique and stand out above the rest is that our wealth is created by simply introducing others to our amazing community. There are no large investments. There's no loss of hard-earned money. That's most important. You don't have to worry about losing your money over here with us, okay? Members of our community have absolutely nothing to buy, which means they have absolutely nothing to sell. Our members have their own Bitcoin wallets and debit cards. So when you get your Bitcoin with us, you can drop it down to your debit cards, which will allow our members to grow their Bitcoin and have immediate access to it for spending purposes. This community's wallet and debit card is provided by a great company called Crypto.com. So that means that now you guys are set up with the wallet and a debit card over here in our community. And this is what really gets it, guys. There are no transfer or mining fees. So if we're sending money directly member to member, we do not pay fees. You know, Bitcoin is killing us on these fees. We don't have to worry about this. This means that our members can send Bitcoin peer-to-peer without the hassle of mining or transfer fees. 100% of what they send to another member reaches that member at 100% with no deduction in coin. So that means that nothing is removed. Now let's look at our membership packages and how these things go. I'm going to knock it out so we can get up out of here. We have 3 membership packages: our silver, gold, and platinum. You get paid 100% in Bitcoin on each one of these. We have our silver membership package, which is $100 with a $10 administrative fee. You only pay that once. We have our gold package, which is $250, no administrative fee because you've already paid the $10 one time. That covers you for life. We also have our premium platinum package, which is $1,000. Now just think, if you bring in 5 people at $1,000, that's that's $5,000. They start at the 100, upgrade and upgrade. That's what we're doing through profit. Each of our club marketing and advertising trainings are available when you become a member. There's training on the silver, the gold, and the platinum. It's yours 100% free. Guys, we're giving this away, right? This means that you're going to learn what you need to learn as far as marketing, cryptocurrency, not to mention our webinars and our calls that we have with our team members. This thing is amazing, right? Now let's look at this and how it works and how you make money. That's what you're here for, to learn how to make money. This is our silver package, gold, and platinum. Moving from the left to the right, these are categories. Our packages, which I told you are 100, 250, and 1,000, right? We're going to base this up on 5 members. This is for illustration purposes only. You could bring in 5, 500, 5,000. It doesn't matter. But for illustration purposes and to give you some good numbers, I'm going to show you how to get $5,500 out of this thing like immediately, okay? Then over here we have our donations. This shows our donation amounts, right? When you got 5 people, based upon them sending you $100 in Bitcoin, that shows you that amount. This is our upgrade as we go from package to package, all in through profit. So you don't have to worry about that. Nothing is coming out of your pocket again. Let's move forward and knock this out. This is your most important part. Let's clear that out of there. This is our most important part, which is the bank. This is what you get to keep. This is what you get to take away. And watch me turn this into $5,500 in no time. So let's assume that you've paid your 110, you're in the building, you're in the club, you're ready to make money. You share this with just 5 people. No investments, none of that. You share it with 5 people. When the 5 people send you 100 in Bitcoin, you've made 500. You're going to take 250 from the 500, take possession of the gold package, and bank for yourself 250. When your team duplicate that effort, because duplication is the key, when they share it with 5 individuals and spend with you, now you're going to upgrade to the 250. Bam. Now, when you upgrade to the 250 and they follow you, the same 5 people following you, that's a total of 1250. From the 1250, you're going to upgrade, take possession of the premium platinum, which is our last package for 1,000, banking another 250. Look at there, you're in profit mode, 500 bucks already from the 2 previous 250s. Now, this is where it gets interesting. When your 5 members duplicate your effort upgrading for $1,000, time those great 5 people you just brought in, that is $5,000. But you notice right here it has zeros because there's no more upgrades. You own all 3 packages and never will have to upgrade again. All you do now is just sit and collect money. That's a total of $5,000 in that platinum package section. Now, we're going to look at this and see what we just did, how we just made some money. Okay, so you came in for 110, you shared it with 5 people, right? You made 500, you upgraded on the silver level for 250 of the 500, banking 250. Your 5 people upgraded to you the same way for the 250. You made a, man, check this out, man. That's 1250 made going on the go. Then you upgraded again for 1,000, banked, bam, another 250. Then on the premium platinum, when they upgraded to you for the 1,000, just like you did, that was 5,000 in with no further upgrades needed for a total of $5,500 in Bitcoin from a $100 and sharing with 5 philosophy. That was simple, guys. Look at the money we made in no time flat. That's it. So it's basic, guys. Step number 1, you want to get in here, grab the silver membership. Step number 2, you want to attend our training, of course. But step number 3, you want to start sharing this thing with other people. As you begin to share with other people, guys, you're going to start making money. Imagine this. Imagine this money hitting your Bitcoin account today. You can share this with 5 people today. I know when I get off of here, I'm about to share it with 5 or 10 people. So, guys, that's money that's going into my Bitcoin account. Now, we set you up with your wallet. We set you up with your debit card. Then from there, your debit card is on the way, but you don't have to wait to start earning. You can start earning immediately. Then when the debit card comes, guess what? Bam, the money going right on the card. It only takes 5 to 7 business days for you to get your crypto.com debit card. So we've designed something over here to help people to become financially successful just by simply sharing an opportunity with others. There's no investment needed. There's no waiting on no wallet to go up and down, looking at coin go up and down, risking loss. And plus, when you share this with people and you tell them that they don't have to risk anything, most people will join you to get this Bitcoin. And you got to think about it like this. You're receiving Bitcoin over and over. Every time that someone comes in, they're going to be dropping you $100 in Bitcoin. 100 in Bitcoin over and over. Imagine 5 people per day. That's $500 per day. If you work this from Monday through Friday, taking Saturday and Sunday off, that's $2,500 just by finding great people like yourself, which is pretty much everybody now that's interested in getting Bitcoin. We're doing it over here without all of the investment, without all of the risk. So I want to welcome you right now in advance to the MPC Mobile Network. We're killing it over here. Crypto Mobile is hot right now, and we're showing you how to do everything. We have a great group of instructors that's going to work one-on-one with you to get you set up with your wallet, get your card ordered, everything. Everyone has a team member that's working with them. So I'm welcoming you guys over here at MPC. Get back to the person that sent you this great presentation. I hope it was great for you. And let's get in and let's start making this coin, because this is something that's going to change your life. You can start doing this today. Welcome to MPC. Take care.